In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Upsell Deadline, a new extension we just released to all Upsell Plugin customers. With Upsell Deadline, every funnel becomes a real deadline. No more fake urgencies, no more gimmicks, just clean, reliable deadlines built right into your Upsell Plugin funnels. So let me show you how it works. Inside your WordPress dashboard, go ahead and hover over Upsell Deadline. Go ahead and click on it. And you're going to want to add a new deadline flow. So let's click Add New Deadline Flow. Let's give it a name. We're going to set the duration. So you'll want to set whatever timing you want the upsell page or the downsell offer or the sales page in general, whatever you're wanting to protect. This is where you're going to set the time frame. So probably something maybe like 24 hours, 48 hours, but for this test, I'm just going to say 1 minute. The redirect URL is where they're sent once the deadline has been reached. So let's just put in our home page, but you can put in any page you want. It can even be a different page from the website they're on. The countdown label, I'm going to say offers expires in. You'll see where this shows up in a second. You can hide the label if you want, so you don't even have a countdown timer. Maybe you can use the label or the countdown timer that your page builder provides. Allow reset via URL. I'll show you what this is in 1 sec. And then if you are using the countdown timer offered inside of the deadline, you have some options on styling. But of course, you can add a custom class and custom CSS to style it however you'd like. For now, I'm just going to say center. I'm going to leave all these the same, the size, the font weight, the text color, the background. Let's give it a gray color. And again, you can customize it as much as you'd like with some custom CSS. Let's go ahead and publish this. Okay, once it's been published, what you want to do on the right-hand side here is go ahead and copy this shortcode. This shortcode you can paste on any page you'd like, and once you paste this inside of that page, this is going to give that page the protection of the deadline timer. So let me show you. Let me go ahead and create a new page. So let's go to Pages, All Page. You can put this on a post as well if you'd like, anywhere inside of your website. Let's go ahead and click Add Page. Of course, you can style your page however you want with your page builder, your theme. For now, this is going to be very basic. This is our new test page. And again, add whatever content you'd like, but then we're going to insert the shortcode we just copied for that deadline flow. Go ahead and click Publish. Okay, our page has been published. I'm going to copy the link. Now let me go to Chrome browser. I'm going to go to the URL of our new test page, and you'll see that our countdown timer has started. So in 50 seconds, this page is going to be protected, and I'm going to be redirected to that URL I have set for myself. So if I close this out, let me open up Chrome again. Let me navigate to that page. You'll see the countdown is still in place. It doesn't reset to 1 minute or anything like that. I can do a hard refresh on this page. It's still set because it's baked into a cookie that is now set for this user, this visitor on your website. So let's go ahead and give it 18 seconds, and we're going to see us redirected to the URL that we set for the redirect. If I go back real quick. So let's not miss it though. Here's 2 seconds, 1 second. So you'll see I'm redirected to upsellplugin.com/demo. If I go inside of this flow, that's what I have set right here, the redirect URL. And now if I try visiting that link again, this is our new test page. You'll see that I'm automatically redirected to the home page. I can't get to that page. It's now protected for this visitor, for this user. If I close it out, let me go ahead and open up Chrome again. I'm going to go directly to that page. You'll see I'm protected. So I can't get to that page anymore. That deadline is now in place. If I wanted to reopen it, you can simply delete that shortcode, or that's the purpose of allow reset via URL. So let's go ahead and enable this now. And if you add the parameter UD_reset equals 1 to the link, it would open it back up. So let's say an example would be, let's say we send out, this is an Evergreen funnel, and we send it to our entire database for a sale that we're offering. The sale has now ended because that timer has reached. So let's say we had it at 48 hours. We can say, hey, even though the sale is over, we're opening it back up for a limited time for 24 hours. So you can change it to 24 hours, and then you can add this reset parameter, and it will allow the visitors to reach the page again. So let me go ahead and paste that in. So you want to add the parameter UD for upsell deadline underscore reset equals 1. Go ahead and enter, navigate to the page, and you'll see I'm back on the page. So it opened it back up again. So that's how upsell deadline works. You can create as many deadline flows as you would like, and they're all unique to their individual flows. There's nothing being tracked between the deadline flows, so you can add as many shortcodes to as many pages as you'd like. If you want to add them to an upsell page, so people can't visit an upsell or a downsell throughout the sales funnel after their initial checkout process. So that's a way to protect the upsell and downsell pages with a real deadline. So you would just simply click add new deadline and create a new deadline flow, and then add that shortcode to the pages that you want to protect. So I hope that makes sense. Hopefully you see the power of the upsell deadline and all the urgency that it can create to help you generate more sales. And of course, if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.